Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing P from alphabet lore. I really hope you'll follow along with me. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started. Okay, to start, we're going to take our black marker and we're going to start with P's shape, the whole letter shape. So we're going to come down and stop, and then back up. Okay, now from here, we're gonna go all the way around and connect up here. So we're gonna loop around, back around, keep going, and I'm gonna connect them right there. Perfect. Okay, now let's do the eyes. We'll do one right here, and then another one comes off the back like that. Perfect. And then she has a couple eyelashes. 1, 2. And then pupils that will fill in. And one on this side. Perfect, that's looking really good. Now to finish, we need to do a little smile right here. And there we have P's shape. Okay, before we're done with this drawing, we're gonna fill it in with some color. And I'm gonna use, let's see, this pink marker. And I'm gonna fill in the whole letter shape. But remember, don't fill in the eyes. We wanna leave those white. Now I'm gonna do some texture down the side with my colored pencil. And then up. And then we're gonna do a little blue on the eye, just at the bottom. Okay, and there we have P.
Yay!
Wow, look at that. If yours didn't turn out so great, that's okay. You can try watching the video again and pause if you need to. Just keep practicing. I hope you'll come back really soon and draw more characters with me. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box videos.